channel. I am going to be vlogging again, you guys. So today is Thursday the 28th and I'm about to leave the house to go to church. Thursdays I usually go for the ladies meetings at church. I'm going Kuchina, you guys. So right now I'm just getting ready. I'm preparing to leave the house. I'm right on time. And so I just came here just to start my vlog here. And the plan for the day is to go to church first. So the meeting starts at 9:30 up until 11:30. And then from there, I'm planning to go out for lunch with my friend Emma. I've just hit 100 subscribers on. So we are planning to go to celebrate for some drinks or lunch in the afternoon. And then we'll see how the day goes. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. Oh, before I go, right, this is, you know this dress. I showed you this dress a couple of weeks ago, right? The dress is from Joe Bouquet. And then I'm also wearing it with this old denim jacket. And then I'm wearing it with these shoes, the H&M flat heels. And then I'm also carrying this bag. I need a big bag today because I'm going to be out for a long time and I also need to move around with my laptop. So this bag can fit everything. So yeah, let me get my phone and a charger. So I'll probably catch up with you guys when I get to church.
Noise, a rattling sound. Do you hear that?
Amen.
We think of the word rare as a limited supply, and that's one of the definitions. But in the Hebrew here, that's not the definition or the primary definition of this word. The primary definition from the Hebrew word here is valuable. The word of the Lord was precious and was valuable, and it was.
Photographer. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna make tea. Do you want some tea? Okay. It doesn't matter. Come and get tea. Hi.
Teacher.
I
was sitting on this thing.
All right. I also don't like to sit right under it. It makes me stupid. Okay. Okay, wait. I will not shush. I will. Oh, how are you? I love your top. It looks so gorgeous. Oh, wow. Oh, but I told you.
Oh, shame, I'm stealing
that. I'm stealing
the backdrop.
It's fine.
We must try it. It's a little spicy. Some of my kids can handle some spicy.
Rambo Ripabu. Hi, Chomi. Good. I'm making you famous. I'm putting you in Bridgette's YouTube channel.
Aiden, don't know Aiden.
This Rogati.
Alana. Okay. Alana, you don't know Alana.
Do you want coffee or
tea?
what are we doing on your YouTube channel?
No, I wanted us to go to Fourways more.
Okay.
Yeah? I want us to go to Foschini. And then Foschini, I want us to check that skirt. I want it. Okay. Yeah?
You want Fourways?
Yeah, Fourways. We are closer to Fourways. Let's drive. Then we're gonna go. We have lunch. No, it's already lunch. I wonder. Yeah?
10, 12,
Yeah,
11
it's already let's go. Let's start here. But check us. Don't know, but Mariana and Ndakavaisa mari yavo pankuru instead of giving her cash here. Ndatongozi let me just put it to. Oh my dad, I used my dad's mukuru account here, my dad's account. How much here? Who's this? Cosmetic has requested to follow you. Who's cosmetic?
You make it. So guys, now I'm here at Tiger's Milk in 4 Ways, and I'm here with my girl. We are celebrating my channel reaching 100 subscribers on YouTube. From 100 to 1,000, from 1,000 to 100,000. Actually, it's the first 100. My first 100 subscribers.
How was your first 100 on Instagram?
I can't even remember.
Yeah.
I can't even remember.
Were you like, yeah?
I don't think so. I think when I started my Instagram,
You didn't care?
I was just posting for myself, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I didn't care. I was just posting just in general.
Yeah. So now,
It was just a way of saving my
now that we can, Instagram is different. YouTube is different. Because now you've got a different.
YouTube
I like
is
that
different.
color.
Thank you, White.
Show my nails. They need to go.
Yeah, they're growing.
They need to go.
When did you do them? Was it 2 weeks ago or 3
3 weeks. This will be the 3rd week. So
It's not showing
I need
that
to
much.
find. Well, so maybe next week, Monday. What's that? What are you drinking?
It's called a what?
What's the orange stuff under
Summer something. Oranges.
in the alcohol?
Obviously.
Obviously. You can't celebrate without alcohol. So it's hot.
Summer fruit Collins.
Ah, okay. Is it a gin or what?
Don't ask me that. I don't know. I don't
You're
know.
not your way, not your way. How did you
I just
summer
asked
fruit
for something
Collins?
sweet. I just asked for something sweet.
In a sky. It's a vodka.
Okay.
It's a vodka.
I'd rather buy something chulupi that you know. What do you think?
It's a personal choice. I don't think it's got any much effect because it's not like there's anything that you're gonna buy. Okay, maybe battery.
But remember, the R50 is coming with a lot of advantages and autofocus.
That's why at the end of the day, things like my camera, it's a personal choice. You need to buy a camera that you're gonna love. Because if you buy a camera that you're not gonna love, camera is like a phone.
Yeah.
If you buy a phone that you're not gonna love, 2 weeks you're gonna want something else. You know, it happens for you. Won't take a Samsung, watch the iPhone. You're still gonna neg until you get the iPhone.
Yeah, yes.
So you can as well just rather buy something that you like.
Because all of them, the 3 of them, they're within the same price range.
Okay, so then it's fine.
I hope it's not too hot.
I think it is. That's enough. Too much sauce. I don't know for the dance. What am I doing?
Me and chips can never be separated.
Who's it? Who's on there? So
I love chips. I love Korean chips.
let's see the shoe. The shoe, oh, they're so nice. And they match the bag. Yeah, OTD, outfit of the day. And it matches the bag.
Joe Bucket dress.
Yes.
Jacket, I don't remember, but
Yes.
Oldie.
Yes, and the bag.
LV.
Uh-huh.
Headband. Forever New.
Forever new. The earrings.
Which one's the main one?
Don't know. Ah, Lovisa. Lovisa. Obviously. The hair, your mother. It's my Ande.
My mama gave it to me.
Your mom gave you the hair. Are you sure it's yours? Is it yours?
Yes,
Pull it out, let's see.
yes, it's mine.
Nice. You've got nice hair. Mm-hmm. And then to get around. I hope at scooter sicker because if we do, it will be your fault.
Scooter sick?
It's your fault. Oh yeah, I was wrong. Anyway, so I'm going to know Buddha, so that's the gate I wanted us to use. I think you know to get up. Let's keep driving. Let's see. Can I talk on us? All right, and to go. Yeah.
Should we turn again?
Yeah, because and oh, look at that! There's a CrossFit here. I love CrossFit. Oh my God. What's going on? Yeah, try it out together. Yeah, for a roundabout.
Are you sure it's closer? You turn it, just only that bends and
okay,
turn
try
left.
Try it. If anything happens, it's your fault.
It's nobody's fault.
Yeah, but somebody must be blamed. So
it's you?
No, I never take the blame.
Today
I'm not telling you, never take the blame for anything. I know I told you, I will never take blame. Someone must be blamed, not me.
Where should we go? Left.
Yeah, let's try. Yeah, sure. I didn't get good. Oh, I didn't get no good. Hi guys, so now I'm back at home. In fact, I got home a little while ago, but I just got busy around the house, and then I lost track of time, but then now we are here. But before I close the vlog, I just want to show you some of the items that I got today. So after church, we went straight to the mall with Emma. We went just for some window shopping. So whilst I was there, I then remembered that Estée Lauder is currently running a promotion. When you buy 2 Estée Lauder skincare products, you are getting a free gift bag. So I bought a bottle of foundation, double wear, and I'm in the shade Rich Caramel, which is 5W2, and this is it. And then I also bought the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. So this is a serum that I like to use with the Estée Lauder foundation, because you see the Estée Lauder foundation is too drying, but it works, it looks great when you pair it with their serum, this. So this is the second item that I bought. So after I bought these two, I got a free gift bag, and in this gift bag there is 15 mils of their Day Wear Multi Protection Antioxidant 24-hour moisture cream. And then the gift bag also came with a perfectly clean multi-action foam cleanser or purifying mask, and this is a 30 mils. And then it also came with mini size of this, and this is a 7 mils of the Advanced Night Repair. And then it came with a night cream, is the Nightwear Plus Antioxidant Night Detox Cream, and this is a 5 ml bottle. A mascara. So this is a smudge proof lengthening mascara. And then it came with this Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. It's an ice cream, and then it's also 5 mils. And then last but not least, it's this lip balm. So it's a Pure Color Envy Color Replenish Lip Balm. This is it, and let me open it. Okay. It also has a tiny mirror inside. Right. So yeah, guys, so these are all the items that came out of the gift bag. And I really love this promotion, this Estée Lauder promotion. So as for the prices, I bought the foundation, the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation for 785 rands. And the Advanced Night Repair is 50 mils.
I bought it for 1,770. But then if you want a smaller size, it's also available for I think 1,500 and something, somewhere around the 1.5. And then I got mine from Foschini. I always wait for these promotions to buy my foundation. So guys, this is it for today's vlog. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and I do hope to see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, or share with your friends and families. Until the next one, bye bye.